Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil. You'll be amazed at the incredible benefits it brings to your body. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Scientific studies. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Numerous scientific studies have highlighted its remarkable benefits. Let's look at a few of them. The Seguimiento Universidad de Navarra project. This long-term study revealed that regular consumption of olive oil is associated with a lower risk of obesity and weight gain. The Galestin cohort study. It found that olive oil might have protective effects against certain types of cancer, such as breast and digestive cancers. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that people who consumed the most olive oil had a 19% lower risk of dying during a 28-year study period, compared with those who rarely or never consumed olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil benefits. Now, let's delve into the incredible benefits of extra virgin olive oil for our health. Antioxidant power. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Extra virgin olive oil is also rich in phenolic compounds, providing potent antioxidant effects that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Weight management. Olive oil may assist in weight loss and weight maintenance due to its healthy fats, which keep you feeling full and satisfied. Extra virgin olive oil versus olive oil. Now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between extra virgin olive oil and regular olive oil? Extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed olives, obtained from the first pressing of olives, making it the purest and most flavorful form of olive oil. It's also higher in phenolic compounds and lower in acidity, giving it a robust flavor and superior health benefits. Regular olive oil, on the other hand, is a blend of refined and virgin olive oils, making it less nutritious and flavorful. When choosing olive oil for its health benefits, always opt for extra virgin. What do extra virgin olive oil do to your body? So, what happens to your body when you use extra virgin olive oil regularly? It's simple. Your recommended daily dose of extra virgin olive oil is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. That wraps up our exploration of the incredible benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment below sharing your experiences with olive oil. We love hearing from you.